In the heart of Maplewood Forest, where the leaves danced in the wind and birds sang morning songs, lived a little gray squirrel named Squeaky. Squeaky was fast, clever, and full of energy. He loved to leap from branch to branch, collect acorns, and play games with his forest friends. But there was one thing Squeaky was still learning: the importance of honesty. One crisp autumn morning, Squeaky was out searching for acorns when he spotted a big, shiny one under a bush. It was the biggest acorn he had ever seen. He rushed over, picked it up, and held it high with pride. Just then, his friend Lulu the chipmunk popped her head out from the leaves. "Oh, you found my special acorn. I was saving it for winter." Squeaky froze. He looked at the acorn, then at Lulu, and then he said quietly, "Oh, I found it on my own. Maybe it's a different one." Lulu's eyes fell a little. "Oh, okay," she said softly. Squeaky took the acorn back to his tree, but it didn't feel as exciting anymore. He couldn't stop thinking about Lulu's face. That night, as the wind blew through the trees, Squeaky tossed and turned. By morning, he had made up his mind. He scampered down from his tree and ran straight to Lulu's burrow. "Lulu," he said, holding out the big acorn, "I have to tell the truth. It was yours. I knew it, but I didn't want to give it back. I'm really sorry." Lulu looked surprised, and then she smiled. "Thank you for being honest, Squeaky. That means more to me than any acorn." Squeaky smiled back, feeling a weight lift from his tiny shoulders. From that day on, Squeaky was known not just for being fast and playful, but for being trustworthy. His friends knew that no matter what, Squeaky would do the right thing. Because in a forest full of falling leaves and hidden treasures, honesty is what helps true friendships grow.